Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the watch and positioning it face down on a soft cloth so nothing scratches. Use a spring bar tool or small flathead. You need control, not force. Identify whether the strap has a quick-release pin or a traditional spring bar. That determines your release technique. Once you depress the pin or compress the spring bar, slide the strap free while supporting the lug to avoid bending. Make sure to keep any removed bars. You'll orient the new strap so the buckle end sits at the 12 o'clock end of the watch unless a different fit is desired. If your strap uses a spring bar, insert one end into the lug hole, then compress the opposite end and guide it into place. With quick-release pins, pull the small lever and align. Once done, make sure the bar seats fully by slightly tugging the strap. This step ensures the strap won't pop out during wear and keeps the watch secure. You finish by inspecting each lug. Both spring bars or pins should be flush and symmetrically seated, with no visible gap. Try the watch on and adjust the length or clasp so it's snug but comfortable. A loose strap risks dropping the watch. If you notice play or clicking, remove and reseat the bar, and replace any bent or worn spring bar with the correct diameter and length. If problems persist, swap the bar before wearing to avoid failure while in use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.